Hello, everyone. It is time for some Wednesday Words of Wisdom. I hope that the week is off to a good start for all of you. And the focus this week, all right, is going to be on helping others and making a difference. Now, this is something that's truly near and dear to my heart. It's just always been ingrained in me from the time that I was young that that's what life's all about helping other people, making a difference, standing out, being a light. All right, so that's gonna be our focus for today. And with these quotes, I hope these quotes can kind of help you gain a better sense or understanding of, this is something that you really have to do. You have to think about it, right? Because naturally, I think we just tend to focus on ourselves, right? We try to just look out for, hey, how can I protect myself, or how can I do this for me, right? But again, I'm always put others first. I like to think of it we before me. Okay, we is more important than me, whether it's your team or your classmates or your siblings, right? Your family. We is more important than you as the individual. All right. So I hope that you can think about a couple of these quotes here. Like I love the first one: help people even when you know that they can't help you back. You shouldn't want to just help someone say, "Oh, I'm going to do this for someone so that I look good, or so that someone sees me do this, or so that or I'm going to do this, do it for the person who needs help, right? Don't just be nice or help the popular kid or the cool kid, all right? Do it for the least of people, right? For those who maybe aren't as popular, aren't as you know or even those who aren't as friendly, right? We want to treat everybody the same and truly with love and kindness, all right? um, I love even, we can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone, right? That's you, right? It's all our responsibility. I can't make you help somebody, right? But you have to make the decision. Today I'm going to choose to make a difference. I'm going to choose to go out of my way and help somebody else. Okay, and you never know what your kind act might do for someone else. Someone might be having the worst day possible, or they might just have gone through a tough life event, or going through some tragedies at home with family, or just lost a friend or a pet. Something like you truly just never know what battle they're facing on the inside, right? So we should always strive to again make a difference and help. Just help them. All right. It might not be the easy thing to do, but it is always the right thing to do. All right. And another quote that really stands out to me is that one at the bottom: "The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the greatest intention." Right? So even just doing something real small for someone is better than, well, I thought about it, or maybe I should have, or I could have done this, or I wanted to do this. Right? It doesn't matter, right? It's only your what matters is what you actually do. Okay, so I really want you to think about that. Okay, guys, and again, I know you're in middle school and it's tough. It's a tough world out there, and I know, social media is brutal, right? And we tend to just, I don't know. Don't lose sight of the big picture, folks. Okay, it's not about you. It's about what you can do for other people. That's really the reason I wanted to get into teaching. I asked myself, what can I do for a career? What can I do that can hopefully make the biggest difference in people's lives? And I said, without a doubt, I feel like, in my opinion, it had to be teaching and coaching. That's why I'm so thankful and blessed that every single day I get to wake up and do what I truly love to do. All right. And that's being with all of you. And yeah, so again, be different. Go home, do something for your family, do something kind, help your brother, help your sister, help your mom, dad, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa. Help someone at home. Do something that's out of the normal realm of your chores, or just doing the bare minimum. I want you to excel, go beyond. You'll beyond that, all right? And actually, at the bottom of this, you can see the starfish, right? It's a good little story. I don't know if you've ever seen the video. If you type it on YouTube, you can see. Just type in starfish story, and you'll see. There's all these beaches, or there's a beach full of all these starfish, and the little boy is like throwing. He throws this one starfish back in the ocean, and this older man walked up to him and said, "Why are you doing that?" And he said, "Because without if they don't get back to the water, they'll die." And the older man's like, "Well, you see how many starfish are on this beach, right? There's a ton of them." But the boy says, "You know what? I made a difference for that one, right? That one starfish he made a difference for. So go out. Who is that one person today that you can go out and find and help them and make a difference, be a blessing in their life. All right. So I encourage you to go out and look for them, folks. All right. Hope you have a great rest of your week. All right. Be blessed. All right. And go help someone. Peace.